What's going on, man? It's your boy, Majak Vernon J, aka Mr. Money, man, aka I do real estate, aka I'm an entrepreneur. Man, I just making my rounds, man. It's Monday, and I just like to go around, check the property, see what's going on, make sure we ain't had nothing happen over the weekend. You know, we done had several showings, so like to just come in, check out the properties. Make sure everything is still working, man. No new issues. Uh, just try to check it out and make sure everything still look good. So this one of the last rehabs, man. Y'all probably familiar with it, but this property is on the market. Uh, it's on the market. It turned out pretty decent, man. You know, can't complain, man. When we doing this, you know, sometimes the budget get busted, but you know, you always gotta have backup plans, man, and that's why we go for volume and not you know, not just try to do some one-offs here and there. Try to keep the volume steady growth, and hopefully that make up. What's going on, man? The front door? Really? Right. Right. Okay. Right. Yeah, I know some people came over to look at it, you know, to buy. So they might have left the fucking door open, man. Damn, that's crazy. I appreciate it, man. Appreciate it. See, that's what happens, man. That's exactly why I come check the properties. You know, that's the neighbor telling me that this prime example, man. Why you gotta get out, you gotta check your shit, cause he just telling me, you know, we had some showings like I was just mentioning, and lo and behold, he telling me that he woke up one day and the front door was wide open. You know, so this shit comes from experience, man. It's not just, you know, to just be on here capping, man. This is real life things that happen, and you know, just so happened, you know, he was one of the guys who actually helped my contractor. So, you know, he lives a couple doors down and actually looked out for me. Said the front door was wide open. You know, him and the other neighbor right next door, uh, you know, walked the house, checked it out for me, and locked it back up. So can't make this stuff up, man. You gotta definitely be checking in your investments and you know, making sure that you know your properties are secured. These realtors don't care, man. They just out to, you know, get to the next property, and I always tell them like, look, you know, confirm that you've locked the doors and stuff, but half of them, you know, whether the buyer, you know, you got buyers and you're trying to get to the next property, you just want the commission check. So, you know, boom, you half-ass, you know, check the things that need to be done, and we these type of things happen. But I'm glad, you know, we got appliances in here, man. Like that's a easy, you know, for somebody, you know, that's an easy $1,500, man. That's brand new, $1,500 worth of appliances. You know, just the fixtures alone is a couple, you know, 800-900 bucks. So, you know, uh, so you definitely got to get out, check your properties. I'm actually just coming over. Like we had a real nice freeze, a hard freeze. So I came over to make sure that to check the property and also check the heating system. You know, this property been completed for a couple months now and haven't had a good chance to just run the heat and see if it warms the house up. So I'm also doing that while I'm here. So So coming out, checking your properties, you know, looking through securing your bag, man, keeping your investment, you know, safe is, you know, obviously you have project managers and stuff like that once you get to a scale size, but uh, my people will probably come check it out, but I do it myself as well. Nobody take care of your stuff like you do. That's first, you know, that's, if you don't take care of it, you can't definitely expect the next person to take care of it. So we heating up pretty good, man. It was down to 42. We down to, you know, came up to 51 degrees. So I want to see, we insulated the attic and all that stuff. So just making sure that we heat up nice and good and you know, household hold its heat very well. But check on your stuff, man. Make sure that you secure your investment. Hey, man, and for those who are looking for any type of mentorship, any type of coaching, man, when it comes to, I'm gonna be putting together a rehab blueprint that I'll be rolling out, you know, hopefully in the next month or so. You know, we're gonna be doing some pre-orders for that. You know, done hundreds of rehabs, you know, just kind of giving you a guide and a blueprint to, you know, doing your rehabs, you know, things to expect, you know, how to walk a property, put together your, you know, your rehab budget. One thing about it, you know, materials kind of fluctuate depending on where you're at, but it's all the same, you know, Home Depot, you know, your little, you know, surplus store, stuff like that. So sign up, man, for that, you know, early release. Go to majobvernon15@gmail.com, you know, put your information in there, as well as I'll be rolling out my that's my mentorship program, man. Trying to get everybody to get their first deal. So, you know, right now I'm not just fully 100% how I'm gonna do it as far as if it's gonna be a cost behind it or if it's just gonna be a free program. But I'm trying to take people to the next level with their real estate investing, whether that be wholesaling, subject to owner finance, anything like that. You know, I've done them all, do them all. So if you're interested in something like that, you know, and like I said, man, I never have anything to sell you, but I know without a certain level of commitment meaning backing up your words with time and money, you know, time and action, time and activity, you know, then you'll never take it serious. So my time is very valuable. I definitely appreciate, you know, love giving back to the community. So, you know, probably very low cost entry level position as far as going through a mentorship program, something like that, you know, and just giving you the tools you need, man, to succeed, you know, whether it's your first deal or your 10th deal, you know. I've done five, you know, 500 plus, you know, real estate transactions, deals, things like that. So I was stuck on 400. I said 400 for several years, but I know over those time frames, I average, you know, anywhere between 20, 30 deals a year. And most of those have been rehabbed, but in between there, you know, I do a lot of quick flips, wholesales, things like that. You know, at one point, I was up to 50, 60 deals a year. Can't lie, during Corona, you know, that kind of decreased some, but, you know, we looking to scale, grow, take the business to another level. So click the link, man, sign up, go to majobvernon15@gmail.com, sign up, put your information in there, you know, to get that pre-release rehab bundle, rehab blueprint. I don't even know what I'm gonna call it yet, man. You know, it's just something that I definitely wanna give to the community, and as well as put your information in if you want to be a part of the real estate mentorship program. Uh, and it's just gonna be hands-on video, man. As I give rehabs and we go through them, it's gonna be live videos, step-by-step process, what I do, how I walk properties, things like that. You know, I'll probably be rolling out videos every single week, uh, and I'll be doing lives probably twice a week. Uh, Hopefully on YouTube as well as the other platforms. So we're gonna definitely utilize, and that might be why he said that now.